Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Mario's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up 24Clan VPN Green in all countries for a fast, secure, and a stable connection. So, if you are new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem while the setup, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll be guiding you through that particular problem. So this is how you're going to do. First, open Google Play Store, and once you open Google Play Store, you're going to search this application. It is verified by Google Play Protect, so you're going to search it using Google Play Store. I'm going to put in 24Clan VPN Green, then search. Once you search, you're going to install this application. It will be looking like this. Many problems are solved. They have included the WireGuard protocol. They have included the virtual WireGuard protocol in this application so that it is fully optimized for a secure connection. Make sure you download this application, and after open it. Now this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So in the first place, we're going to come in the top. You're going to come right here, the top left corner on those 3 slashes, and check onto them. And then you're going to choose this option, which is update config. Once you choose that option, give this application some seconds so that it can update the config, but make sure that you have an internet connection so that you can be able to update configs. You can repeat the process of updating config, but while connected to the internet. Then after, it will bring update success. In the next step, you're going to come where you see auto select server, and then you're going to choose any server that is near or that is your country's location. Alternatively, if you don't see that server, I kindly recommend you to keep in the auto select server. Let me talk about the servers. You are free to use these servers or the premium servers. Premium servers are paid for, and you are required to pay for those premium servers, but these free servers, you don't need anything to use them so that you can be able to access a secure internet. So in the last step, you're going to come where you see dialect, and then when you choose dialect, you are free to choose your network. You're free to use that one, and the premium servers. Premium servers are paid for. That is what I know about the premium servers, but they are mostly in Nigeria. So you're going to come where you see these servers, the middle one, and then you're going to look for your country's server. If your country supports UDP protocol, I kindly recommend you to come and use one of these servers, the AllNet UDP Hysteria V1 and V2. These servers, we have this. Let me connect to this one. Then you're going to come and check maybe later, and then you're going to connect by pressing this. Give it some few seconds.
Quick reminder that incognito mode does not.
Mine is has already connected successfully. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I sign out.